Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, where history meets craftsmanship. We explore the timeless charm, design, and function of vintage and reproduction hardware, from doorknobs and escutcheons to hinges, latches, and beyond. If you love the details that bring a home to life, you're in the right place. What makes a keyhole cover truly antique? To answer that, we have to step back in time and take a closer look at something called the escutcheon. An escutcheon is the decorative plate that surrounds a keyhole, and while its purpose is partly practical, to protect the wood of a door or drawer, it's also a small canvas for craftsmanship and style. In the 18th and 19th centuries, escutcheons were made in a wide range of materials, like brass, cast iron, porcelain, or even mother of pearl. Some were simple ovals or shields, while others featured elaborate patterns and ornate silhouettes. The designs often matched the prevailing architectural and furniture styles of the time: Georgian, Victorian, Federal, and Art Nouveau, to name a few. These covers weren't just hardware, they were small expressions of the design ideals of the era. One hallmark of antique keyhole covers is the attention to detail. You'll often find finely cast floral motifs, classical urns, scrollwork, or even Gothic arches. Some featured symmetrical patterns, while others embraced more organic or nature-inspired themes. These designs weren't just aesthetic, they reflected the values and artistry of the period in which they were made. Another way to identify an antique escutcheon is by its method of construction. Many older examples were cast or stamped, then filed and polished by hand. The mounting hardware itself can be a clue. Tiny brass pins or slotted screws were used instead of modern adhesives or machine screws. And over time, wear marks around the keyhole can tell a story of use and age, sometimes even revealing a soft patina that only comes with decades of handling. So whether it's an ornate brass plate on a Victorian door or a delicate porcelain cover on a 19th century writing desk, antique keyhole covers are more than functional. They're a glimpse into the design sensibilities of the past. These small pieces remind us that in historic homes and furnishings, every detail mattered, even the ones you might not notice at first glance. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we uncover more stories behind the pieces that hold our history together, one hinge, latch, and keyhole at a time.